In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a circle in quads in Blender. Let's dive into Blender and start creating. First things first, make sure you have Blender installed and fired up on your device. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and download the latest version from Blender's official website. Once you have it open, you'll see the default objects populate your workspace. We're going to start with a clean slate. So simply press the A key on your keyboard to select all these default objects. After you've made your selection, hit Delete. This will clear your workspace, giving us the freedom to create. Next, we're going to add a new shape. Look up at the top of your screen and click on Add. Hover over Mesh, and from the drop-down menu, select Plane. Great. Now our plane is ready for some modifications. Before we can do anything, we need to switch modes. Head up to the upper left-hand corner where it says Object Mode. Give that a click, and choose Edit Mode from the drop-down. This will allow us to make the necessary edits to our plane. With Edit Mode active, we're ready to transform our plane. Right-click on the plane and select Subdivide. This is a pivotal step where you can start shaping the plane into something more complex by increasing the number of cuts. The more cuts you add, the more control you'll have over your shape. Now, let's focus on the vertices of our shape. At the top of your screen, you'll see a small icon that represents vertices. Go ahead and click on it. We're about to refine our selection tools. Move your selection tool from Select Box to Select Circle. This is a handy feature that allows you to precisely select the edges you want to transform. Once your tool is set up, carefully select the edges of your object. This sets the stage for our next transformation. From the menu at the top, click on Mesh. Hover over Transform and choose To Sphere. Slowly drag the selection inward. As you drag, you'll notice the geometry of the plane begins to morph into a circular shape, a fascinating transformation that adds a new dimension to your object. To finish off your creation, you can take things a step further. Click on Face, then select the top face of your new circle. Press E to extrude. This action adds height to your circle, turning it into a 3D object with depth. And there you have it. You've successfully added a circle in quads using Blender. Congratulations on adding this sleek design technique to your skill set. Feel free to experiment with the number of subdivisions and extrusions until you're happy with the final product. Happy blending!